guys, this is a great honesty is the best policy. Great thing. Germany is having lockdown, ma'am. Hi guys, you are watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain, and guys, I am today here with a Q&A session. Session. So last Tuesday there was some family emergency. Due to that I was not able to come with a video. So yeah, today is Friday and today I'm coming up with new video, and don't worry, tomorrow new video will be coming up. So guys, stay tuned. And guys, today I am gonna answer your all queries. So yeah, I have written some of the queries here, so I'm gonna answer these all queries, and if you have any more question you can comment down below. And stay tuned for tomorrow video at 4 p.m. Tomorrow new video will be uploaded, as all Saturday new video comes, and next Tuesday again I will be coming live, so don't worry. And I'm so sorry because these days I was super busy and I was not able to reply any one of you. I have got so many Instagram queries, so many messages. I think so I was having WhatsApp message 5,000 plus, so it was so much flooded. I was not able to message any one of you, so I'm super sorry because maybe of you some have emergency or something. So I'm super sorry. So yeah, I'm here and I will be back in some days with all the things with the proper pattern. So please excuse me for little some days more, because let the family thing get settled and then I will be coming. But yes, don't worry, video I will be making. Thank you so much whosoever has asked that, ma'am, what happened, are you okay, family is okay. Thank you so much for showing such a great love. Just pray that okay, the things which are wrong and which are incorrect, which are happening, may God correct it soon. Thank you so much, God. He has blessed me always, and of course your blessings and love. So let's start with the question. Are you guys ready? And if you are new on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, and so that you can get a notification of all my videos. So let's get started. So guys, let's start with the first question. Ma'am, we have to go to embassy for bachelor visa appointment. Guys, you don't have to go, you just have to fill the forms which are there online. You don't have to go. Once you get the appointment and the date of visa interview, then you have to go. If any new things comes, like they are taking online or something, I will let you know. Right now there is nothing like that. You have to go for interview when you get the appointment date. Remaining things you can do online, so you don't have to worry. So much demanded questions. If Germany is having lockdown, is it possible to travel Germany and get jobs in Germany? Guys, let me clear you one thing very clearly. Germany is having lockdown is absolutely correct, but yes, you don't have to panic, because yes, German embassy is open, and yes, you can go to Germany and get your jobs, because Germany is offering you jobs right now also. So you don't have to think much. You just have to go Germany and you have to give apply for the jobs. I have made how you can apply Germany jobs, so you just have to do that and you are good to go. If you get the job offer in your hand, then you are absolutely fit, absolutely amazing, you absolutely perfect to go and fly to Germany. And for that, of course, you can book your tickets by plan traveling. Plan traveling is having huge special discount for German Gyan GG family. So yes, if you're traveling to Germany or anywhere in India or world, do let me know, because I'm having one more version, I think so you will be aware of that plan traveling. So yeah, you can absolutely do for that. Next, I have given you resume with my friend, but he got job from your side, but I didn't. Why? Guys, I received so many jobs resume daily, on the daily basis, and there is nothing paid service from my side for jobs. My team do check your resume. I also do check on resume. I just see what all is happening. But guys, one thing which is very important in that is, if your resume get matched with the company requirements, get matched with the salary expectations, match with the location, then only you will be getting the revert, like okay, this company is opening for you. Otherwise, just get a revert that okay, thank you, we have received your mail and will revert you as soon as possible. So this will be the common mail which you will be getting. If any I itself normally tell to the students or my team member. So don't panic. One thing you make clear in your mind, if your CV is not getting selected, so you just have to make a changes in your CV. Change a CV, change the pattern of the things, restructure your CV and then send me again. Maybe the restructured resume will get more priority in the company field. So you just have to work on resume if in 3 months you don't get a job. Am I clear? And I always work on things like that. If your resume match with the company requirements, match with the location, match with the salary expectation, then yes, you will be getting a proper call or a message from my side. Don't worry for that. Next question is, how much salary deduction is there in Germany? Guys, for salary deduction, I'm coming up with new video tomorrow only at 4 p.m. Saturday. Tomorrow new video will be coming on German Gyan. In that video, I will be letting you know that what is a deduction salary structure in Germany, how much salary will be getting in your hand, what will be the taxes which will be cutting. So everything in detail I will be letting you know tomorrow video. Stay tuned for that, because if you're planning for Germany jobs, then it is a must for you to know that okay, how much salary will be getting in your hand. Is that salary will be sufficient for you to live in Germany, because Germany is so costly. So you have to plan things accordingly. Maybe you'll be getting more in hand salary in India. Is it worth for you to go to Germany just for the in-hand salary? So you just have to see all the circumstances, all the things which are happening, and then only plan what is best for you. So stay tuned for tomorrow video. It will be coming. Next, ma'am, I am a designer, have a boutique, want to settle my business in Germany, fashion boutique. Option hope is there in Germany, right or wrong? Absolutely, you should go, because in Germany people are looking for the Indian things. People are like freaking waiting that okay, some boutique should be open, or because in Germany things are not like in India. And India, you know how much boutique fashion is in the trend, and when people come from there, they normally shop the Indian things. You know this very well, and so why not to do this? This is absolutely amazing. You should go forward. If you need my help in settling your business in Germany, then please do contact me. My team in Germany will help you in this, so don't worry. Can we study A1 to B1 and get directly B1 exam of Goethe? Absolutely, you can go study A1 to B1 in 6 months, A1 plus A2 plus B1. In 6 months, you will be getting all the levels, all 3 levels. Do the B1 preparation of Goethe, exam preparation of Goethe, and give the Goethe exam. Perfectly best plan for you. And after the getting exam, you will be getting result in 7 days and you are good for the jobs. Next, ma'am, if I want to have online classes, then what is the process? Guys, for online process, guys, if you want to do online classes, then the process is very simple. You just have to message me or DM me on Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, anywhere, that or YouTube itself. So you just have to comment me or tell me that okay, ma'am, I'm looking classes for this. So I will be letting you know the one message with all the details, what we do, what is the structure and everything. So you just have to tell your level, and then you have to give me which days you are comfortable, weekdays or weekends, and 2 best preferable timings. Like suppose you are willing to do classes from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m, or you are willing to have class 3 to 4 p.m, or you want class 11 p.m. to 12 p.m. So you just have to let me know that what are the best timings in which you are comfortable, and according to that you will be getting one demo class. And whosoever will be taking class, as you know, I'm having more than 65 teachers with me right now in German Gyan. So once you give me the proper structure, my team will decide okay, this is the best for you. And then what you have to do is you will be getting a proper demo message from our side, and your demo will be conducted. If you like the demo, you can continue the classes, and if you don't, then it's okay. But 101% you will be loving the demo. So yeah, this is just common procedure. If I talk about the fees, then discounted fees you have to pay in one go. If the normal fees you are charging, then 50% before classes and 50% fees after 20 days. So yeah, this is the common procedure. Let's go to the next question. Next question is, what is the rejection rate of German visa, and tell some reason. Guys, normally if I talk about German rejection rate for German visa is approximately, I think so, 6%, 5 to 6%. 6% is basically. And if I talk about the reasons which are there for neglecting your German visa, is like you are having insufficient documents, you don't have proper reason to travel, or maybe they will found somewhere lacking, like you have said something and it is not able, they're not able to verify the things, because they normally verify each and everything. So yeah, these are the very common reasons due to that maybe your German visa get rejected. So make sure whatever you are writing or you are speaking should be 101% correct. Last question, which is again most demanding. While Germany is having lockdown, is it true that job openings are there? Yes. Germany is hiring in lockdown also. They are giving work from home. They are giving, in fact, they can give you work from home from India also for just a limited time. But yes, if you have a Germany offer, then you are absolutely fit and amazing to go and fly to Germany. So yeah, don't worry, don't panic. The Tuesday Q&A session, I hope you liked it. Today is Friday, I know, but still, I normally do it on Tuesday, so I'm saying Tuesday Q&A session. So guys, stay tuned for tomorrow. Tomorrow, very amazing video and demanding video will be live at 4 p.m. Stay tuned, and if you have any question, do comment me in comment section. And if you have any recommended video for me, do let me know in comment section. Stay tuned for the video, and guys, do pray for my family. The things should get settled as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this, and stay tuned with German Gyan. Keep learning German with German Gyan. Cheers.